I'm reading from a book I want you to get. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I always forget the author. Oh, Joseph Murphy. I always want to say James Murphy. You've got to get this book. It's really super good to change the way you think. Remember, change your thoughts, change your life. Okay, I'm reading just this one part. I think it's chapter 3. The subconscious heals a malignancy of the skin. The most convincing evidence anyone can have of the healing power of the subconscious mind is a personal healing. Many years ago, I developed a malignancy of the skin. I went to the finest doctors who tried the most advanced treatments medical science could offer. None of these helped. The malignancy got progressively worse. Then one day, a clergyman with a deep store of psychological knowledge told me the inner meaning of the 139th Psalm. He called my attention to the passage that reads, "Thou didst see my limbs, unformed in the womb, and in thy book they are all recorded. Day by day they were fashioned. Not one of them was late in growing." He explained that the term book meant my subconscious mind, which fashioned and molded all my organs from a tiny original cell. He pointed out that since my subconscious mind had made my body, it could also recreate it and heal it according to the perfect pattern within it. I like that part. He pointed out that since my subconscious mind had made my body, it could also recreate it and heal it according to the perfect pattern within it. This clergyman pointed to his watch. "This has a maker," he told me, "but before the watch could become an objective reality, the watchmaker had to have the idea of it clearly in mind. If for some reason the watch stopped working as it should, the watchmaker's idea of it would give him the knowledge he needed to fix it." I understood what he was trying to tell me by this analogy. The subconscious intelligence that created my body was like the watchmaker. It knew exactly how to heal, restore, and direct all the vital functions and processes of my body. But for it to do this properly, I had to give it the idea of perfect health. He had to be the one to give it the idea, okay? This would act as a cause, and the effect would be a healing. I formulated a very simple and direct prayer. This is the prayer he wrote out, or you don't have to call it a prayer. This is the saying you can say to your subconscious mind. My body and all its organs were created by the infinite intelligence in my subconscious mind. It knows how to heal me. Its wisdom fashioned all my organs, tissues, muscles, and bones. This infinite healing presence within me is now transforming every cell of my being, making me whole and perfect. I give thanks for the healing, and I know is taking place at this time. Wonderful are the works of the creative intelligence within me. You can do this for anything that you need healing on, okay? Just try it. I repeated this simple prayer aloud for about 5 minutes, 2 or 3 times a day. After some 3 months, my skin was whole and perfect. The malignancy had vanished. My doctors were baffled, but I knew what had happened. I had given life-giving patterns of wholeness, beauty, and perfection to my subconscious mind. These forced out the negative images and patterns of thought lodged in my subconscious mind, which were the cause of all my trouble. Nothing appears in your body except when the mental equivalent is first in your mind. As you change your mind by drenching it with incessant affirmatives, you change your body. This is the basis of all healing. Now, did you catch that? He said the same little saying, let's see, 2 or 3 times a day, okay? And he did it for about 5 minutes. So however long this says, which means if this little saying takes 30 seconds, he would have done that 10 times in 5 minutes, right? Okay, my body and all, here's his prayer again, or his saying, my body and all its organs were created by the infinite intelligence in my subconscious mind. It knows how to heal me. Its wisdom fashioned all my organs, tissues, muscles, and bones. This infinite healing presence within me is now transforming every cell of my being, making me whole and perfect. I give thanks for the healing I know is taking place at this time. Wonderful are the works of the creative intelligence within me. Now you have to realize this is not going to happen overnight. He said after 3 months, he did this for 3 months before the healing forces took over. And when you say this, you have to believe it. You can't just say, oh, Video Joe told me to just say this. I know it's not going to work, but I'll just say it anyways. What is it do I have to say? You can't go into it that way. You have to believe it. You have to feel it. You have to own it. Okay? You can write up your own little saying. It all has to sound something kind of like what I just read. No negativity in it. Everything has to be positive. You have to believe in yourself. And you can make it so. Try that on anything that's happening to your body and see what happens. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.